In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 360 camera to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To do this, you need to download the Insta360 mobile app. So before starting, make sure that you acquire the latest version of their app from either the Play Store or the App Store. Once you have it ready to go, open the app. Go through any sign-up process if needed, and you will find yourself at the home screen. Now tap this icon at the middle, this yellow camera icon. When you tap this, it is going to look for nearby devices to pair with. At this point, if your 360 camera has not been powered on, then use the power on button at the side and make sure that it is in close proximity of your phone. You can go through any setup processes needed as well. Once the camera has been properly set up and it has been powered on in close proximity, it will appear on the list of detected devices. Now you can choose that camera and select the option to join the network that you are currently connected into on your mobile device. As soon as you do this, the camera will be connected. You can access all of your storage, videos, photos, other details, configure the camera, and you can even do live remote viewing. So all that you need to do is use the yellow camera button at the middle of the screen once you open the app, and you will be able to connect it completely wirelessly. This is going to work for any model of Insta360 camera, and you will do it through the latest version of their mobile app, connecting it to a Wi-Fi network. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.